Alright, I'm just gonna film it like this. This is the lightning box from Pokemon. We have 4 packs, 1 bonus card. As you can tell, that's the bonus part, and then the 4 packs are right here. So we're gonna get this open real quick. I got this at Walgreens. Yeah. Let's see. How do you open this without? Okay, from the top. From the top, make it. Alright, never mind. Alright, let's open it from the top so you guys can see. Oh my god, I finished it. So, get that out of the way. And it's pretty sealed from the back as well. So I'm just gonna pull it out. And here we got the 4 packs, guys. Look at that. Thumbnail. Alright, anyway. We got the Sun and Moon Unbroken Bonds right here. We got the Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. I don't know if the lighting is bad, but oh well. And we also got the, what the hell? Oh, for a second I thought these were fake cards. I was about to say, but nah. This is Sun and Moon. It has nothing on it, but well, just a regular one. And then we have the Pokemon Breakpoint booster pack, or whatever you want to call these. Sorry for the background, that's my dog. Oh, and we also have codes for these, so I'm gonna be opening these real quick. And oh, hold on, this is a bonus card. It is, I think this is like a reverse holo. Correct me if I'm wrong, but here it is, a Slowpoke, I believe. Yes, sir. I don't know if you guys can read that, but I think this is a reverse holo. Is it? I don't know how you can tell, but I don't know. I'm pretty sure, if I'm not. It's kind of like bent a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's alright. It don't matter. Alright, let's get to the video. Alright, which one should we open first? Alright, we're gonna start off with the regular pack. Oh damn, I don't even know if it's 3 cards up. I don't know, but I'm trying to open this. I don't know, so if I do it wrong, guys, oh, you guys probably know. Okay, so this is the card right here. Alright, whatever, that's enough. Okay, so it's, I don't know, but I think it's to the front. Alright, we have, oh, this is, I can't really tell what is that, but Zubat right there. What the hell is that? Oh, I'm not gonna pronounce them because I'm gonna scuff the fudge out of them. I already know. Ooh, reverse. Holo, I think? I don't know. Just the reverse. I don't know what I'm saying. To be honest, I haven't gotten Pokemon cards in a while, but here you go. And energy. So it's 4 actually. So yeah, these are a rare, reverse, and yeah. I'm gonna put these to the side. So it's actually 4. I knew it. I knew it. Alright, let's see. We'll do the Crimson Invasions now. I'm gonna open this up real quick. Make sure you guys don't look at that, actually. I'm gonna save the promo for last, actually. And what did I say? Wow, these look a lot smaller than the, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Here we go. We got our, I don't know how to say that, Emolga. I don't know, I'm saying it wrong probably, but I'm not gonna say them. Energy, water energy, that guy. Salandite, I don't know, bro. Starly, Skiddo. Oh, Pikachu. Okay, it's a cute Pikachu actually. Look at that. Focus, come on. I don't know, but that's a nice Pikachu. And we got our reverse hollow, nice. Miltank. Looks pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. And our last card is a Houndoom. Not reverse, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, and the promo is right here, guys. Alright, cool. Whoever gets that gets it. Alright, now should I do the unbroken bonds or the breakpoint? Alright, I'll do the unbroken bonds. Alright, cool. Promo code. Do that at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright. We got our, hold on, get comfortable. We got our Eradicate here. What is this? Dusk Stone. Oh my god, I can't even. Oh my god, I'm putting it in the wrong pile. Oh my god. Whoops. We got our Rock Energy. Or Ground, whatever you want to call it. Oddish. Oh shit. What is this called? Glameow. Sparrow, I believe. Ooh, reverse Sparrow. It's pretty dope. And our last card is a Butterfree. Nice, cool. So that was that. Damn. Oh, and our code is right here. Alright. Alright, so that's 3 packs already. And so far, no luck. Pretty bad cards, I'm not gonna lie. But last but not least, we got a breaking point. We're gonna open this bad boy right now. And we're gonna wish us good luck. You know? Third was not a charm, but you know. Hopefully this one is. Opening this bad boy. Again, promo code is at the end. 4 to the front. 1, 2, 4. And we shall begin. Ooh, we got our Sizer Spirit Link. Alright. What is that? Wow, we already got that. I don't know how to say it, so. Ooh. We got a nice card right there. Whoops, sorry. We got Seabriska. Oh, that's a nice artwork, Loki. Oh, this is pretty dope. And of course, breaking up my neighbor because he just passed right now. Ooh, what do we got here? What is that? What the hell? Oh, it's a sword. Hone Edge? I never seen that in my life. Ooh, we got, what is it called? Shelter or something like that? Hold on. Yeah, Shelter. That was right. I mean, I can sit there and scream, but you know, I can't really see it. Never seen that Pokemon as well. I'm not familiar with any Pokemons. What is that? Timpo? I don't know, bro. And we got a Ducklet. Wow. Never seen that Pokemon in my life. And we got a reverse. Oh. Then, ooh, that's freaking dope. That's nice. That's a good card. Ooh, Semitoad. Semistoad. I don't know how to say that, but it's a nice freaking card. And last but not least, we got promo here. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and doses. I mean, it wasn't too bad, you know. Like, comment, and subscribe.